please request our chairperson and my father, Shri Mukesh Ambani, to join us on stage to share his thoughts. Papu, the podium is all yours.
A very warm good evening, 35,000 people in RCP. And full glory, more than 150,000 people in over 1,100 locations simultaneously, truly connected with each other on the power of the Jio network. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. It is always good to be together as one Reliance family, and it makes occasions like this truly, truly special. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to our special friends, Shah Rukh and AR, who are with us on our very special day. Traditionally, today is the 27th of December, just before my father's birthday on the 28th of December. Today, we pay tribute to our founder chairman, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, with our actions and achievements. Today is a day when we rededicate ourselves to his values and beliefs on which Reliance is built. It has always been our belief at Reliance that businesses should have a larger purpose than pure economic merit, and that is to improve society. Our collective actions and achievements have demonstrated this. Today is also a day to recognize and appreciate each and every one of you across this virtual network for your hard work, dedication, and commitment to Reliance. Let me start with our oldest business in petrochemicals. Nikhil and Vipul, who lead this business, are here. We have children in the audience, and I want them to know that Reliance has the second largest polyester business in the world. Polyester clothes people. We make 1.5 million tons of polyester for fabrics a year, and that is enough to give every Indian 5 meters of fabric every year, year on year. Next is our plastics business, where plastics, as all of you know, from the time we get up in the morning, it's in our toothbrush. Through our day, it improves our quality of life, whether in packaging or when we open our milk, the milk packaging, or in shopping. Most of our cars today have a lot of plastic. And then finally, across all our life, plastic improves our life. We at Reliance are responsible for making sure that we recycle, and we are the largest recyclers of plastics also. And we are a responsible producer of plastics. Our next business is located at Jamnagar. Again, my greetings to everybody in Jamnagar. Jai Shri Krishna. Jamnagar is the jewel in our crown. We have both Hital and Prasad who are with us, who've built Jamnagar from scratch. Just so that all of you understand it, Jamnagar produces 1.5% of the transportation fuel of the world. So every time a plane flies, every time a car moves, or every time a truck moves, anywhere in the world, 1.5% of that fuel comes from your refinery at Jamnagar. You would also be proud to know, and this is particularly for the families, that Reliance, your company, is India's largest exporter. We export to 132 countries, and we are also India's largest taxpayer, whereby we pay the single largest tax in the country every year, year on year, as a company. Like we are celebrating Jio, in our petrochemicals and refining business, we are having our single largest expansion in our history, and we have over 100,000 people working day and night at Jamnagar, at Dahej, and at Hazira to commission our plants in the next few months. Let us all wish them a safe and a speedy completion and a very, very successful startup. We have a partnership with British Petroleum, which we are very proud of, where we have discovered large gas reserves nearly in deep waters on the east coast of India, 5 kilometers under the sea. And that is the technology that our company has. So as Reliance, we have the hydrocarbons and the refining business, where we clothe people, we provide the basic fuel for people, and we discover oil and gas. We started our consumer business journey just a few years ago. And we have a lot of colleagues here who are from our retail business. And all of you will be happy to know that Reliance's retail business operates in 900 towns now. And every year, over 60 million people shop with us every single month. Congratulations to the retail team. I think you've done a wonderful job. We have a life sciences business, which makes a wide-ranging layer, which really makes a wide range of life-saving, next-generation biopharmaceuticals that are used to treat cancer and a host of diseases. And we sell them at very, very extremely low and affordable prices for all Indians. Let me also welcome the newest group company to the Reliance family, Network 18. With Network 18, we not only have the most consistent news channels in CNN, IBN, CNBC, and ETV, but through our partnership, we also are now Colors, a channel that I love, is part of the Reliance family. Our Network 18 broadcast business reaches over 250 million viewers. We also have the Reliance Foundation. Neeta runs it, but they make us proud every year. I'm sure we have the Dhirubhai Ambani International School, which is the best school in Mumbai. We have a lot of achievements that Neeta will talk to you about, but the one that I am particularly proud of in the last few months is what Reliance Foundation did in Chennai. We provided timely help and needy help at the time, and we helped over 20,000 families. This is an overview for the families of the breadth of Reliance and for what each one of us gets up and works hard of. And I want to tell you that I'm proud of each and every one of you and your achievements. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your commitment, enthusiasm, dedication, and hard work in making Reliance a truly world-class organization. Thank you. My dear Reliance family, let me now welcome our newest and youngest member in our family, Jio. I want to first address the question, why Jio? Why did Reliance think of Jio? The world is at the beginning of a digital revolution. Anything and everything that can go digital is going digital at an exponential rate, faster than what you and I can imagine. Whether it is entertainment, commerce, healthcare, education, governance, life is going digital. Through the ages, information and knowledge have driven humanity's progress. Life itself has relied on information to progress. Our genetic code, our DNA, the basis of our evolution is nothing but information. When you put the power of information, broadband connectivity, and computing together, the price performance of everything changes drastically. Everything gets disrupted. I believe that in the next 20 years, as a human civilization, we will collectively achieve more than what has been achieved in the last 300 years. We are at the beginning of a new era for humanity. If you are not digital, and if you don't have a globally competitive digital tools and skills, you simply will not survive. You will get disrupted. You will be outcompeted. You will be left behind. You will become irrelevant. Friends, India and Indians cannot afford to be left behind in this new world. However, India today is ranked around 150th in the internet and the broadband penetration out of 230 countries in the world. My Reliance family, Jio is conceived to change this. Jio will change this permanently for India. $1.3 billion Indians cannot be left behind as the world enters a new era. We have the youngest population in the world. Give them the tools, give them the skills, give them the environment. They will surprise us. It is this opportunity to transform the lives of 1.3 billion Indians that motivated Reliance to enter this space. And Jio is the result. Jio will help advance and realize the potential of every Indian and India. I have no doubt that with the launch of Jio, India's rank will go up from 150th to among the top 10 in the world in the next few years. So that is why Jio. Now, what is Jio? And I think that Akash, Isha, Shahrukh have done a fantastic job, makes my job a lot easier. But for all of us at the Reliance family, I want you to take home 5 things today. First, digital life. Second, connected intelligence. Third, simple, smart, and secure. Fourth, Jio together. And fifth, Jio life is beautiful. And let me explain each one of these 5 components. So Jio Digital Life is an entire ecosystem that allows Indians to live the digital life to the fullest. This ecosystem consists of devices, broadband networks, powerful applications, and services. Distribution to every doorstep in India, particularly in our small town and villages, both in the hand and at home. This ecosystem comes with a 24/7 support and has been put in place with the support of our partners. Secondly, Jio is about connected intelligence. There are 2 kinds of intelligence in the world: machine intelligence and human intelligence. Now, combine the power of 6 billion brains with all the computers in the world, and that is what I call connected intelligence. Imagine the power that we will be putting in the hands of common Indians if we give them a smartphone in their hand and use an always available broadband connection to link them to the power of the internet. This is connected intelligence. Jio is connected intelligence. Thirdly, Jio is not just about technical brute force. It's about doing things in a smart, simple, and secure way. Digital technologies give us an opportunity not just to do things a little bit better, but to reimagine how we do things. What used to take hours for skilled people is just a few clicks on everybody's mobile. That's smart. There are many parents and some grandparents in the audience today, and you know that even a 3-year-old can use a tablet or a smartphone. And my mother, Kokilaben, at 83, does a smartphone better than me. That's simplicity. And we have ensured that we treat all the information that flows through our network are handled in a secure way so that all your data is safe all the time. Fourth, Jio is bringing about Jio together, bringing people together. It's about inspiring people to join a movement. Jio is not about Reliance. It's about you, about our family, our friends, our community, and all Indians together in a movement to embrace and win in the digital world. Friends, when it comes to India, I am an eternal optimist. I have no doubt that Jio and Jio-enabled Indians will create a whole new digital economy, and we will witness a period of unprecedented growth, empowerment, employment, and prosperity for our nation. To put it simply, everything that Jio believes and everything that Jio does is driven by a vision of this future. A future where every Indian can say without hesitation that with Jio, life is beautiful. So friends, today on the eve of the 83rd birthday of Dhirubhai, my father, it is my proud privilege to invite all our Reliance families to be the first to experience Jio's services starting tomorrow and in the coming weeks. While you enjoy Jio Digital Life, I am also counting on you as a part of my family to be part of co-creating the best experience for all our customers. I am sure that when you experience the next generation service of Reliance Jio, you will spread the word. And if and when you identify a glitch or an opportunity to do things better, I am sure you will co-create and improve the Jio service. With the employee launch, we will bring in lakhs of people to the Jio network in the coming weeks. This is the first time in Indian corporate history that an employee-first program of this magnitude has been launched. And for me, personally, it is a very proud feeling to present to you the debut of Reliance Jio. We will count on your blessings to the newest member of our Reliance family, and I am sure that each and every one of you will nurture them with the same love and affection that you have showered for every Reliance. Friends, let us give a very warm applause to Jio and Team Jio on this occasion. Thank you. 2016 is a milestone year in Reliance's history. At Jamnagar, the jewel in the crown of Reliance, we operationalize investments of over 100,000 crores. We wish all our colleagues at Jamnagar a safe, successful, and flawless startup. At Jio, we have the opportunity to win the hearts of India and Indians. As a result, we will achieve in the next 2 years what we have achieved in the last 37 years. We will double ourselves in the next 2 years. But more importantly, I believe we will create an everlasting impact on India in the coming months. This strengthens the institution of Reliance. Each and every one of you are the inheritors of the spirit of Dhirubhai. Let us dream big and achieve even bigger. Let us build the Reliance of Dhirubhai's dreams. As we work hard, I want to say to each and every one of you, for me, it is an absolute privilege to be your leader. To lead some of the finest talent in the world is a job I enjoy. Thank you for your ownership of Reliance. also, it is my duty to remind each and every one of you of our Reliance tradition of health first and family first. No matter what the challenges are, no matter what deadlines and startups we have, let us not take our health for granted and always give our family priority. I would like to thank you from the bottom of the heart, and this is a particular thank today to all the spouses and the family members of our Reliance employees for tolerating each one of us when we become obsessed with work. The Reliance family, for each one of us, without your unconditional support, Reliance would not have been the institution it is today. Thank you. So finally, my dear Reliance family, let us celebrate the launch of Jio, the spirit of Dhirubhai, and the achievements of Reliance and each and every one of you by giving all of you a standing ovation. Please join me. Thank you, and this is also a very, very warm thank you to all my colleagues at Jamnagar, Dahej, Hazira, Nagotane, and all the Jio centers. Thank you, and a standing ovation to each and every one of you. Please sit. We have conceived Jio with love. Love is an intrinsic part of life. We want Jio to be a digital lifestyle. So may I request AR to really enchant us with romance and some of his most popular romantic songs.